Unlock seamless and secure access to your Wells Fargo accounts with the power of Face ID. Before we begin, ensure you have the latest version of the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your device and that Face ID is already set up and functioning on your phone. First, locate and tap the Wells Fargo app icon to launch the application. You'll need to log into your account using your existing username and password as you normally would. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu. This is usually represented by an icon labeled More or a hamburger menu icon, typically found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. From the menu options, scroll down and select Settings or Security Settings. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version. Within the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Face ID, Touch ID, or Biometric Login and tap on it. You'll now see the Face ID setup screen here. You'll find a toggle switch to enable Face ID. Tap this switch to turn it on. The app will then prompt you to confirm your decision to activate Face ID. Tap Enable or Confirm to proceed. Your device may then ask for your Face ID authentication to confirm the setup, just as it would for unlocking your phone. Congratulations! Face ID is now set up and ready to use. The next time you open the Wells Fargo app, you'll have the convenient option to log in securely with your face. Enjoy the ease and enhanced security of Face ID for your Wells Fargo banking experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.